Okay, so in the last video we were done till the what did Rutherford does in his experiment. So this was his coil foil here, but the elements or the alpha particles, some of them were going straight, some was deflecting, some was going down, some even just bounced back. Okay, some bounced back. So that was his experiment. In this video I will just make you sure to write it. Like I will explain you in written word. If you have not watched that, I'm sure you will not get it before going to that video. But let me explain you what did Rutherford explain. So Rutherford perform an experiment. I will just write a theory today, which is very important. This will also clear a lot of concept. So Rutherford did an experiment on gold foil. As I told you, gold foil. He produced alpha particle. He produced alpha particle. He produced alpha particle from radioactive elements. So that radioactive elements were radium or polonium from radioactive elements. Then like that was radium or polonium, or if I could write in a bracket you get it easily. Okay, so another was, then this was his practical this was practical work which he just did. Then we have observation. What did he just observe while doing that experiments? He just observed most of alpha particle goes straight. Most alpha particle goes straight, and he just observed most particle goes straight without any deflection. Without any deflection. Then another point he just observed. Sorry, just wait a minute. Okay, so some alpha particle deflected at same angle. So what does that mean? This means if you just pencil, so here he just observed that through that one they have an angle. There is some alpha particle deflected at same angle. So the angle between this was a straight line and here was an angle. This was the downward line and here they have an angle. So this means the same angle was there as well. Okay, so he just observed that as well in his observation. Then so in his result, what does he explain? He explained that the most of alpha particle most of his alpha particle goes straight. Most of alpha particle goes straight and most of the atom is empty. So what does this statement say? This just says that if we have most of alpha particle goes straight, most of the atom most is empty space. How? The rays are going from this and some are deflecting, some are going down. This means not any of the rays is staying here. This means the atom is empty space. They don't have much more in their atom, but they are empty space. Most is empty space in atom. And he also observed another thing. If this is the gold foil and here we have the alpha particle which have two, these are alpha particle which have two. If this is moving, he just even told that the central part is the nucleus and that is positive, and some of them are going back. This means positive repel to the positive. Okay, so we can say same